Here's how to add video on Squarespace 7.1. First, click the Edit button in the top left corner of your page. Once you're in edit mode, you'll see an Add Block button appear in your section and a grid visible in the background. Next, hover over the section where you want your video to appear and click the plus button. This is the Add Block button. When you click it, a menu will pop up with all your block options. From that menu, select the video icon. It's the third option down from the left. Once you click it, an empty video block will appear on your page with editing options. Now, click the pencil icon on that video block to open the editor. The pencil icon is in the block's toolbar at the top. When the editor opens, you'll see a plus button in the center with options to add your video. Click that plus button. You'll now see three options: upload a file, add from link, or select from library. For this tutorial, we're going to add from an external link. Select add from link, and a field will appear labeled video URL. Paste your YouTube or Vimeo URL into that field. You can grab the URL from your browser's address bar or from the share button on your video. Once you paste it, Squarespace will automatically check the link and let you know if it's ready to use or if there's an issue retrieving the video. After your video loads, you can configure a few settings. Click the pencil icon on the video block again to access the settings panel. Here you can set options like autoplay, loop, and mute. If you want to use autoplay, you'll need to enable mute as well. That's a requirement for accessibility reasons. You can also upload a custom thumbnail if you want. This is an image that displays over your video until someone clicks play. Just upload the image through the thumbnail option in those same settings. When you're happy with everything, click anywhere outside the block editor. Your changes save automatically. You can also resize and position the video block by dragging it around the page. A couple of things to keep in mind. If you're uploading videos directly, instead of embedding from YouTube or Vimeo, Squarespace has a 30-minute total storage limit across your entire site, with individual files capped at 500 megabytes. But videos you upload get saved to your asset library, so you can reuse them on other pages without uploading again. Also, make sure to preview your page before publishing to test that the video plays correctly. And that's how to add video on Squarespace. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.